All of us struggling with back pain. Most of the day we are spending behind the desk, in the car. Sometimes back pain is associated with stress, anxiety, or simply tightness in our hip flexors and our hips. So today it's going to be a very short, beautiful and sweet sequence for you to help you relieve your back pain. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Moniability channel. We're going to start with exercises on the floor. I'm going to ask you to lie down on the floor, very comfortable. Lie down on the floor, and we're going to start with very simple exercise. I will lift my arms up here so you can see my core area. We're going to warm up our hips, arching, making our belly round and pressing down to the floor, squeezing our core, pressing our lower back down to the floor. You're going to feel as well that your tailbone is coming up. Inhale, exhale. We're going to do it 10 times. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze. It's a very good exercise as well for postpartum. It's a great exercise for your Kegel muscles. An amazing way to warm up this part of your body. 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Great job. Right now we're going to transfer our body to seated position. I will ask you to firstly have right leg on the front and left leg on the back. Sit comfortably. Make sure that your bum is on the floor, your hip bones are pressing down to the floor. Now you're going to place your right arm with the distance to your hip, to your right hip. Lift your left arm up, take a deep breath, bend your elbow and gently stretch with exhalation. Feel beautiful opening. Make sure that your hip is staying on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Start twisting your shoulder and your obliques up to the sky. If you can go deeper and you're more flexible, you can place your hand a little bit further away and reverse your elbow towards your hip. Inhale, exhale. We're gonna do 5 for each side. 3, 4, and last one, 5. Hold here for 10 seconds, breathing nicely and deeply. Now we're going to change arm, left arm with the distance you can place on the beginning here. There is no issue as long as you can keep your hips on the floor. You can change leg which is on the front right now. Left hand, left leg on the front, right arm up, take a deep breath and exhale. Try your best to twist your body as much up to the sky as it's possible. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more. Last one. Hold for 10 seconds, breathe. Try to twist your shoulder and your obliques, your chest up to the sky. One of the most basic exercises when you sit for a very long time behind the desk or you are leaving after a very long drive your car I'm gonna show you from the seated position, but you can do it from standing position. You can always grab your hands together and try to stretch up your arms, opening your shoulders. Usually from seated position, a lot of stress is not only in our lower back, but in chest area and shoulder blades. Stretch. If you cannot grab your arms, if your shoulders won't allow you, just stretch your arms up and open your chest, breathing deeply. This is a really good stretch, very basic. Otherwise, you can as well, in the standing position, grab your hands behind your back and try to pull down. Next exercise, we really know very well from yoga. If some of you do yoga, you're gonna know it's a cat to cow pose. This is as well very, very good exercise, not only to relieve the back pain, but to make stronger the whole core area. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have here one exercise, nice and slow, 10 reps. Knees can be apart. You're gonna drop your lower back down, lift your chin up, take a deep breath. Chin to chest, spine up, around your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And last 2. 9. And 10. Beautiful. Next exercise is balancing position. You're gonna lift simply your right arm straight and left leg straight. You're gonna look down to the floor and you're gonna hold this position. This will make your core stronger, your lower back stronger, and as well will really help you to relieve the back pain. Stronger your core means stronger your lower back muscles. Stronger your muscles, definitely less pain. After 10 seconds, we're gonna change this position and we're gonna lift right leg up and left arm. Straight, point your toes and hold, breathe. Make sure that your neck is nice and straight. Look down. 8, 9, 10. Hands on the floor, open knees, and drop your bum down to your heels, child pose. Forehead on the floor. Try to reach with your palms as forward as it's possible. And breathe. Feel beautiful and gentle stretch. You can place your forehead on the floor. Great job. Next exercise, we're gonna perform standing up. As I said before, most of the back pain is related to tightness in our hips and our hip flexors. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try to relieve this pain. I'm gonna move firstly my left leg back. My right leg gonna stay forward. It's gonna be like a lunge position. left leg straight, hips square, right leg forward. Make sure that your foot is on the same line as your knee or even a little bit forward. Lean down, feel opening in your left hip flexor. Now, right arm drop down, left arm up. Up and gently to the side. Now you're gonna feel deeper stretch, not only your hip flexor, which is directly connected to your lower back, but as well, you're gonna start feeling stretch to your diaphragm. Simply hold. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna change side. Left, right, back. Same story, square your hips, drop down, left arm down, right arm up, and press up and to the side. So I'm trying to open backward and slightly to the left side. Oof. I can definitely feel that my right side much more tighter. And hold. At least 10 seconds. Wonderful. We're gonna do this exercise one more time on the right and one more time on the left. We're gonna hold for 10 seconds. Back and side. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe deeply. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. And we're gonna perform this exercise, this stretch last time. Drop your left arm down, square your hips, right arm up, and back and side to left side. Hold. If you're too wiggly in this position, you can always have something to support you on a side. It's absolutely fine. Thank you so much for taking time for yourself again today. I promise you that when you start practicing those very simple exercises, you will definitely start feeling back pain relief. Keep it safe on the beginning, don't do crazy stretches, and please make sure that when you are trying to relieve your back pain, you are moving slow and safely on the beginning. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you on your next session. Much love.